If you are one of those people that are interested in traveling to the US through a work visa, but you are not even sure which companies are going to hire you or which companies have opportunities for you, I have decided to put together a list of top companies that are hiring and are willing to sponsor a work visa for you if you need one. Hello and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gina. If this is the first time you're stopping by, first time, Jesus. If this is the first time you are stopping by, thank you so much for coming. I hope you like it here and you subscribe and you stay and you come back. And if you're always here, thank you so much. Like I said, I am going to be talking about the top companies that are hiring and are willing to sponsor work visas if you have the skills they are looking for. I'm just going to call out the name of the company and then I will put a link to the official company website in my description box. So you can go on that website and learn more about the company, read what they're all about, their history, job opportunities. Just make sure you do your own research, okay? Because I am not gonna do your homework for you. I'm just here with the information. In no particular order, we have Amazon. Most people know Amazon, but if you don't, link is in the description. Next, we have Google. We have IBM. Next, we have Microsoft, Deloitte, Apple, CAPGEMINI, ACCENTURE, INFOSYS, COGNIZANT, WIPRO, JP Morgan Chase & Co., Intel, MAHINDRA, Oracle Corporation, Walmart, Bank of America, Uber, GOLDMAN Sachs, HCL America Inc. I have called out a lot of companies. I'm going to allow you all to do your research, find out which ones you want to work for, and apply. If you need me to do a video showing you how to apply to any of these companies, let me know. But I wish you good luck as you do your research. Please do your research. I don't like doing people's homework, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. That's all I have for now. The list is long, but I gotta stop here, okay? The list is super long. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and give the video a like, yeah? I think I said already. Like, if you're familiar with any of the companies that I called out, let me know which one. Let me know which one. I want to know from you which one. Okay. I'm rambling. I gotta go. Bye.